What's going on today, YouTube? It's Reviews Now, and I'm back with another gadget for you. Today I want to talk to you about your home security. What do I find keeps the burglars away? Motion lights and security cameras. Well, I went on Amazon and I found a device that incorporates both of those, and I wanted to share it with you. The link will be down in the description if you want to pick one of these up. It's very affordable. This is what we've got in the box. We've got a motion light with the LEDs and a camera. What else we got in here? Well, we've got some instructions and an install kit. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to open this rubber flap since it's right here in front of me, and that's where the SD card goes. I've got one of those here. Pick yourself up a decent one. Don't go for the cheap. All right. So we pop the SD card in. It'll only go one way. Don't force it. As you can see, click it in there and close the waterproof flap. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install this light real quick here. So hang with me. It would only take a second, and there's not much to this now. I know a lot of you guys get nervous dealing with these electrical wires. As long as your power's off to the fixture, you got nothing to worry about. Take out these couple of screws here with my Phillips head, and that's going to reveal the guts here. Now we've got a couple of wire nuts. As you can see, if you spin these off, you're no longer connected, and we can replace the light. Now, this one's got a different mounting bracket, so we're going to have to screw the mounting bracket in place before we can put the light on. Now that's real simple. All these goodies out here. I'm not going to use that right now for this application. So grab the two short screws that come with and this bracket. All right. Now we're gonna bridge the gap there and put this baby on and run those screws all the way in. Because this is what the new fixture is going to screw to. Get my screw started, I'll be better off. That one doesn't want to play ball, but it will. Get in there. So we're just going to run this bracket on down all the way in my cross-threaded hole here. And once you've got that bracket screwed in place, you're ready to mount the light. So what we're going to do here, these wires are already stripped. So you're going to grab one of the new nuts that came with, white to white, mate them up and screw that wire nut on there. Get it nice and tight. Tuck it in. Do the other one. Now there's a third one here you'll notice, and that's going to go to your ground wire. Just make that final connection. And that part's done, it's connected. Now, you're going to grab the long screw. You want to tuck these in, obviously. Tuck them on in there out of the way. Feed the wires in so they won't get pinched by your bracket. Okay. That third long screw is going to go right in the center there, and you're going to match it up with that hole on the bracket and just tighten it up. And we're going to match it up inside there and screw her down. there you have it, guys. We've got that baby installed on our new fixture. Now, if you were putting this on your house outside, there's a protective foam piece to go in between the mount. But since this is just for you guys in here, I don't need that. So we do have some good instructions here, and it details and tells you which app you need. You'll find a code in here that you can scan with your phone to get the app, or you can just go to the Play Store or whatever and pick it up. It's the Smart Life app. You want to pick your camera from the apps menu, and it will connect through your Wi-Fi. It'll get this connected up to your Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to view your live video. You'll be able to speak through there. If you see somebody, you get out of my yard, you can do that. And there's also an alarm button that you can push, and it sounds like a doggone burglar alarm going off, so that'll send them running. This is a handy little unit, and it's very affordable, and I highly recommend you pick one of these up if you've been on the fence about what to do for a camera. This is perfect. This is perfect. You don't have to run any extra wires or anything. You saw how easy it is to connect up. She's up and running. I can flip this switch, and we've got light. As you can see, it's connected, it's working, and once it's outside, it'll be doing a great job of keeping the property safe. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video. Check out the other ones I've got. It's ready to connect. Well, all right, guys, there you have it. I'm filming with it right now. How's it look? Overall, I give this product a good thumbs up. It's a very good value price from Amazon. I've dropped the link down in the description. Check it out. Grab one for Christmas gift for your loved ones. Pick one up. They're pretty handy. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Drop me a comment down below. Say hi. I love hearing from you. Give me a subscribe so you don't miss out on the future videos. I sure appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.